All right, Jane Box Breaks here. It is the 2nd of March, 2:33 a.m. Eastern Time. I've had these boxes sitting here now for a while. The Panini plates and patches. Been giving everyone a chance to buy these last two, but they've been sitting. We have not pulled a big name auto out of it yet. I'm just gonna bust them. Tired of staring at them. I have a feeling something huge is in here, and I want to prove a point. So I'm getting high on my own supply. Unless I want to pull something nasty for myself for once. All right, let's see what we got. Reggie Wayne to $2.99. Next up, I got a Jermichael Finley, $2.25 or $2.99. Jermichael Finley. Next up, Lance Kendricks to 100. Got a Nate Burleson, 28 of 50. Got a nice Michael Vick, Michael Vick auto patch, numbered 5 of 5. Would have been better if it was McNabb with a 5 number. I'll take it. He still sells well. Michael Vick, 5 of 5. Not bad. Got a redemption here, number 203, RPS Rookie Signatures. Where did I just throw that checklist at? Alright, number 203. 203 is Marcel Darius. Yay. Alright, next auto I got Marcus Cannon. 199 of 199. Nice Ed Reed patch here. Mr. Ed Reed. Numbered 71 of 99. Got a rookie blitz. Daniel Thomas relic for the Dolphins. 110 of 299. And Titus Young for the Lions. 98 of 249. It's a nice Vic auto. And let's see what's in the last one. We're hoping for a cam this whole time. That's how long I've had these. Since the week before the Super Bowl. Let's get one. If not, oh well. Just hope we don't get any more redemptions here. And another redemption, of course. Probably Julio Jones. Alright, we got a Sidney Rice for the Seahawks out of $2.99. Next up, got a Ricky Stanzi. Ricky Stanzi, 4 of 10. Next up, got an Adrian Claiborne for the Bucks out of 100. Got a D'Angelo Hall, number 249. This would have been good back in the day. Blaine Gabbert, numbered 82 of 299. Would have been a nice hit back in 2011. Another redemption, number 125. 2011 Panini plates and patches. 125. Let's see who that is. David Alsbury. So David Alsbury. No idea. Alright. Got a Chimdi Chekwa. 186 of 199. Got a dual relic here of Jay Cutler. 12 of 50. Jumbo relic here for the Bills, Marcel Darius, number 250. And a City Limits autograph, or City Limits insert of Jabba Best of 249. So no, we did not get a Cam. No, we did not get a Kaepernick. No, we did not get a Julio Jones. But we did get 2 of the Von Millers. A nice cut auto. A nice Michael Vick. And a few other nice hits. But so there we go, boys and girls. The last 2 boxes are finally broken. And no, we did not hit a stupid Cam Newton. Oh well, he's a loser anyway.